Hi and welcome to the Minecraft family channel. Today we've got an unboxing of this partial little girl who's holding a flower. And you can see on the picture here what is going to be drilled. It's her bracelet, the flower, and clothes, and I think her diamond earrings, or what they are, perhaps some part of her flower head as well. So this one is an 50 times 71. It's a partial, as you can guess, and I think, oh yeah, here you can see. So we don't drill anything of her her hair, so it's only the flowers and the earring, the bracelet, and her clothes, not her hands or anything. So let's see I can get into it. Again, I'm struggling with the plastic covering. So this one is the second last one I had in this order. Definitely in love with those canvases. So these are packaged like this, and you can already see her hair. Look at the quality of the print on her. You can see it here. It's really nice. This is just some, and we can already see here we've got some special beads on her. So let's take a look at the canvas. Oh, there's a lot of special beads on her. And here we've got, they always pack these, a bag and a carrying bag and plastic bag for you to, if you want to storage the painting afterwards. So it's a quite long one. She's really pretty though. Let's just take you up so you can see it. So there's a nice big drilling area, and the flower is going to look amazing. Yeah, so we've got some special beads here and up here, and there's some down here. So let's take a look. There's really a lot of colors in it. There's 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 16, 20, 23, 26, 30 colors and 7 special gems. It's the first time I just noticed this one. Have you ever seen that one? A smiley, that's a good one. I really like that. That's going to make, well, though they're here and they're quite clear, so there's smileys in them. That's really good. I really like that. What I really like about her, about these paintings as well, is that you've got on both sides, and they are placed. These charts are placed both high and low, so you can work and see them from every corner where you work. So let's take a look at all the drills. Here we have the tray and a plate of wax and the pen. The bag, we have seen that one. So let's get into the gems. Oh, there's a lot of sparkly gems in here. I don't think there's any ABs in it. I just think there's a lot of sparkly gems. So, but that's what I really like about this company, is that they are really good at not making it too much. So, so there's blues here. all kinds of blue shades. You can see them here. So these here, and there's some more blues here for her, yeah, for her coat or kimono or what she is wearing. All kinds of blues. Pretty blues. And then we've got some green ones as well. Let's just take them. Oh, and another blue one here, which I missed. So some green ones here, and the mist blue one, the baby blue one. Some yellows. Oh, there's an AB in here. There's not much. That's the first time that I've ever seen that. Perhaps that's on purpose, that they didn't put too much to make it a bit subtle. I don't know. It's the first time that I've seen it. It hasn't been fully covered. But those are ABs. And then we've got some reds and some oranges here. Hey, those are dudes. Those are some black drills, but they're ordinary. So they were just really pretty and shiny. No, isn't there? Is there anything on it? I don't know. They're really sparkly though. So that's really, I think they are just ordinary black ones. I'm really unsure if they're coated with something which makes them a bit silvery. I think they are. I think they are coated with something that makes them a bit more... Oh, it's hard to see. But there's something on them which makes them more sparkly. I don't know if you can see that. You can't. So here are all the colors, and I think this one is a special one too. What number does it have? A192. Yeah, because these are the ordinary black ones. Look at that. Here you can see it. So you just don't think. I have never seen these ones before. They're a bit... I don't know if you can see it compared to, but there's just some more sparkle in them. I think they're silver coated. I've never seen that before. And I do think that those yellow ones, I think they've toned them down, because normally they are all the way around when I've seen them in the other paintings. These ones are only covered in the top. I think that's on purpose. And these ones, I've never seen those before. Fun. There's always some fun in those here. They do a lot of extra. So we got 7 different extra beads. Let's see. I think this is the ordinary white one. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's something more here. 1, 2, 4, 5. So what are they not counting? Are they not counting? 1, 2. So these are probably the special ones. And then I've got these ones. Look at those. A90. Yeah. They're counting those as normal ones. Pretty round. Oh, these are scratched. Or what? They look squashed. Oh, they aren't. It's just me. They look really squashed. They look like they have been under a hammer, but they haven't. Just me seeing things. So anyway, these ones are silver ones. Oh, and pretty, pretty, pretty. So here we have all the special gems. Let's take them. Here they are a bit more larger crystal ones, smaller ones, crystal ones, and then you've got the one with the white backing on it. And then you have these ones, which looks like small eyes. I think that's the ones who's going on her neck here as well. They don't look pretty in this light. They are quite pretty though. And then we've got this one. Look at that. Pretty. And so also just to show you the quality on the back. There's no same one with this one. Nice one, really good quality, as well as this one. So yeah, beautiful. She's very Chinese, but I really like her. She's going to be fun to do again. I don't think it's one that's going to hang in my room, but I think it's going to go into my presentation portfolio, which I still have to buy. But I need to buy one and have some where I can stick them into, so I can show them if people are asking what I've done. So yeah, but thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and happy diamond painting, and take care of yourself. Talk to you soon, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.